Welcome to my channel. Today I will be taking you through what's growing in my garden. We are in winter now, and during this time I grow cruciferous veggies, and I have what you are seeing now there that I have is broccoli. I am growing broccoli, and I'm trying to grow a lot so that I can preserve some of it. And I also have mustard greens, as well as the celery that I did an update on my previous video. I have covered the celery and it seems to be doing very well. I'm happy with the celery. I think it's one of the veggies that are really doing well. The garlic is still struggling, but I'm just giving it time, just letting it do its own thing and see how it goes. And it could also be the cooler temperatures maybe that are making it not to grow as I would have expected. But also seeing that it's my first time to grow garlic, so I will just take this as a learning process, really. Just observe what it's doing, and then hopefully I will learn, so that next time when I grow it, I would then apply the knowledge that I would have got this time. And I also have that purple basil, that's for my bees. They really love it, and seeing that it's winter, there isn't a lot of food for them. I also have baby kale, and that's more. I also grow peas at this time of the year. Last year I grew some. This is my second year growing peas, and last year I had a decent harvest, and I am hoping for another. I'm growing peas as well as broad beans. I've never planted broad beans this year, so I will see how it goes. So I have peas on that bed as well as broad beans. And the broad beans seem to be growing very well. I grow a lot of like peas and cruciferous veggies at this time of the year, because otherwise it's too hot. Spring and summer are just too hot for me to grow anything. I have some mustard greens there. Yeah, mustard greens are a staple in our home. We grow them every year, and I also preserve. And that's more broccoli. That is broccoli. And we also have sugar loaf cabbage. I had that last year as well, and I preserved it, and it was it tasted actually better when preserved. I actually freeze it. I just blanch it and I freeze my sugar loaf cabbage, and it did well. And there's something that seems to be eating my leafy greens. I'm not so sure what it is. Maybe I will spray with a mixture of neem and warm water and some dish soap. Just spray to discourage whatever. That is the sugar loaf cabbage. It's coming along slowly, but yeah, I'm sure it will get there. And I also have baby kale. This one we've been using. Yeah, we've been picking this one. I think when I bought the seeds, I actually didn't read properly. I didn't see that it said baby kale. I thought it was just kale. And I only realized when it was growing that it's actually baby kale, because the leaves are small. But they are delicious nonetheless. We are enjoying them. I think next year I will grow more. And that is my only lettuce that I have. It's actually a volunteer. I didn't plant. I actually need to find my lettuce seeds. I put them somewhere and I need to find them so that I can plant some lettuce. And there we have That is a red cabbage. It's just still a seedling, really. Yeah, more red cabbage. And more mustard greens, as well as more sugar loaf cabbage. So there is a lot of veggies coming along. And thank you so much for watching. And if you like and enjoy what you are seeing on this channel, please consider subscribing as well as commenting and liking. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.